off later. I might just do that. It makes me just a tad nervous. Even if I don't put all of the bolts back in, it's still a safety. Got all the tins out. I'm going to see if these are all the same size. Of course, I think engine mechanical tells me which ones go where. But it looks like, so I've got 6 10mm bolts. They're all the same size. I'm going to set these, I'm setting these over next to what I think is the PCV system. I'm guessing it's a PCV solenoid or something like that. I'm not exactly sure. Alright, now when this moves, does that cover interfere with the bolt? Let's come up on that side with the rubber mallet. Don't worry about the loud crash. Okay. Comes off and it hits the 12. So 12's gotta go. I almost have this thing off. There it goes. Oh, now what? Not only I have to lift the engine to get it out of the way. Alright, it does go around. Okay, so again, the point of this video is to show doing an engine refresh with the engine staying in the vehicle. This part is doable, but difficult. So what I'm going to do, let me see if I can get that, well, let me first put these bolts back where they were so I remember. Just because it's convenient. I think this is right. Okay. I'm going to get another ratchet on this and use the two of them to lift it up, because I would have, if I wanted to put the motor mount back on, I would actually have a good bit to reattach. So I'm going to do that. I'll be right back.